Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 1st, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and I'm on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So the pound dollar definitely did break structure to the downside. This first move down is very obviously to me either an A or a 1. This move up right here is a crutch into the move down, either a wave B or a wave 2. We are now either in a wave C. If it is a wave C, then that would be a correction to the last 5 waves up, and potentially it would bounce off a Fibonacci retracement or a Fibonacci extension level, and then continue the uptrend. Now it doesn't have to be a wave C; it could be a wave three. A wave three would potentially just continue to make lower lows, lower highs, and just keep on going down, proving that this potentially really is a wave five all the way up on the weekly time frame, and that this really is some sort of a trend reversal. So whether it's a wave three or whether it's a wave C, we should be looking for sorts of time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, for me, the most recent structure for me is actually still way up here because that's where the last end of a correction happened. This is definitely all lower lows, lower highs that whole way down. So if non-farm payroll causes a nice big break of structure to the upside, then that's what would prove to me that this is a wave C. If non-farm payroll just causes it to continue to make lower lows, lower highs, then we should just enjoy this trend, realize that it could be a wave three, and it may not even be close to being over if it is a wave three. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.